Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the basics are stable. First, update Android and apps. Once done, restart the S21 FE to clear transient processes. Then, go to Settings Battery and tap Battery Usage so you see which apps or services devour power. If an app spikes battery, reboot into safe mode to confirm whether third-party software is the culprit. Make sure to record the top 2-3 consumers. This directs the next steps and saves time troubleshooting later. Once you know the culprits, tune system settings to cut steady drain. Reduce the refresh rate to 60 Hz and lower brightness. Disabling always on display removes a constant power draw. Next, toggle off radios you do not use, Bluetooth, NFC, Wi-Fi scanning, and switch to LTE when 5G isn't necessary. Then enable adaptive battery and app power management to restrict background activity automatically. If an app still runs in background, manually restrict its background permissions and stop it to immediately halt wasteful wake-ups. To finish, enable battery saver or a custom power profile for predictable longevity. Set it to kick in at 15% or 30% depending on your tolerance. Make sure to update or uninstall apps identified earlier. Clearing an app's cache can resolve leaks. Finally, if drain persists despite these steps, run Samsung Diagnostics and inspect battery health. If diagnostics fail to fix the issue, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. If problems continue,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.